Tatlong Boracay Hotels, tatlong different price points, pare-parehong family-friendly. Napakarami ng hotels at resorts sa Boracay pero syempre ang focus nito ay yung mga subok na namin. Iba-ibang price points para sa iba't ibang klase ng budget pero family-friendly lahat. Una, Paradise Garden Resort and Convention Center, Boracay na located sa Station 3 Beachfront. Room rates dito starts at 2,000 plus pesos a night lang at may breakfast buffet na. Malawak ang resort, may in-house restos at maraming malalaking swimming pool. Yung isa may slides pa. Mababait rin ang staff dito at very welcoming. Di pa kasama ang transfers dito from Katiklan pero marami namang affordable packages niyan sa Klook. Pangalawa, Coast Boracay na located sa Station 2 Beachfront at walking distance sa D-Mall. Room rates sila start at 7,000 plus pesos a night pero included na ang breakfast buffet at round-trip transfers from Katiklan and back. Sikat ang in-house resto nila sa masarap na Pinoy food at happy hour. May sarili pang swimming pool, gym at game room rin. Plus points rin sa service. Very nice at attentive ang mga staff dito. 5-star service sila. Pangatlo, Movenpick Resort and Spa Boracay na located sa Station 0 at may sariling private beach. Room rates dito start at 10,000 plus pesos a night. Malaki at well-maintained ang room. Pwede palagyan ng extra bed. Included na ang breakfast buffet pero extra pa ang transfers. Ang ganda ng beachfront at hindi matao. Pinakamalaking swimming pool sa Boracay. May tatlong in-house restos, beachfront bar at pool bar. May kids play area, chocolate merienda buffet na free every afternoon para sa mga in-house guests. Malayo sa main beach pero may free shuttle service naman sila to D-Mall on schedule. Ayan, tatlong Boracay hotels at tatlong different price points. Kayo na ang bahala pumili for your next Boracay adventure. Para maka-discount kayo, make sure to use our code. Tandaan, for more food and travel recommendations, make sure to follow us. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-eats. Until next time, bye-bye!